Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Here I'm drawing a Christmas tree. So first a Christmas tree is being drawn and then a house has been drawn with a chimney. So a door is being drawn. Let's draw the way of the house. With the next to the house there is a Christmas tree. Let's shade them with a green color pencil and then with a blue color pencil and then with a yellow color. Let's move on. So let's draw some different kinds of houses today. So I'm taking an yellow sketch and shading them, and then I'm drawing a window and the door and the chimney. So using a red sketch, I'm just drawing the floors and the blue sketch for the windows and the chimney. So using a green sketch, I'm just drawing the greeneries and the ways. So here's a dark green is being drawn for the trees. So here's a beautiful house with the sun. So let's move on. So here I'm drawing a grasses and the way, and then a mushroom house is being drawn. So here first a window is being drawn, and then next to the mushroom houses there will be a grasses of leaves, and then different kinds of mushrooms is being grown in the ground with the grasses. So and the sun is being drawn. So here I'm writing three trees and then joining them, and I'm drawing a boat. So after a boat is being drawn, a sun is being drawn and a crow is being drawn. So let's move on. Here again an house is being drawn. So a door is being drawn. You know, house is very important for every human beings to live on earth. So without a house we can't do anything. So here house makes a major part of our role in our life. Let's draw the trees and put some green markers and then with the pink color markers as a pink flowers. So let's shade them. Let's move on. So here I'm drawing an house and then I'm drawing the way. Let me put some shades to this houses and all. First I have to draw the chimney and the way of the houses with the window and the door. So afterwards let's draw the gates. So afterwards let's draw and windows and the plants next to the house with the nature is being drawn. So here I'm using yellow color and the orange color, and the crow is being shaded, and then an orange color is being shaded. So here again a leaf of big branches of trees is being drawn, and then a big branches is being drawn. Let's draw the mountains. Let's shade them with the blue color as a water, and the sun with the red color, and the trees with the pink color. So let's move on. Here again an house has been drawn, and then a window is being drawn. A chimney is drawn to move out of some smokes coming inside an house, like while cooking the smoke will come out. So that smoke is being passed out through the chimney. So here a green trees is being drawn, and then the front part is being drawn, and the flowers and the leaves is being drawn. So here's a beautiful picture.